I struggle a lot in communication, in speaking, in my conversation with people when the beginning of my career. I didn't know how to speak in English, so I used to first think and convert my thought process, which used to be in Hindi, and then convert it into English, and then I used to speak. After a period of time, I struggled further in my communication skills because I was not good in presenting to an audience. So I once again worked on building those skills, that how I can present well to the audience. Then another stage came when I was not very sure about how to be effective when I'm presenting or when I'm talking to people, when I'm doing conversations with people. And that's where I learned about that emotions plays a very important role when you have to communicate effectively. Well friends, my name is Arun Thukral. I'm a life and a leadership coach, and in this video today I'm going to tell you that how you can transform your communication skills from an average to an outstanding category. And if you are with me and if you really want to transform yourself in communication skills, I'm sure this video is surely going to help you a lot, because I'm going to share 5 important tips that I practiced over the years, and basis which I'm able to develop and overcome my challenges in creating an effective communication. And I'm going to share all of them. So stay tuned, and also don't forget to like, subscribe and share this YouTube channel with your friends and thoughts that I'm sharing over here if you agree to it. Do you know that soft skills are the one that separates us from robots and artificial intelligence? And we all know that how fast and how quick they are coming into our daily life. So at workplaces, there has been a lot of focus to develop people on their softer skills, and out of which communication skill is the most sought after skill that every organization is trying to build in their employees. And that is why a lot of training companies, trainers are investing a lot of their time in building communication skills in their community. Now, the point is that why it is so. It is very simple, because if you are talking to your subordinates and you want them to listen to you, you need to have good communication skills. If you are talking to your peers and you want those peers to follow your suggestions or listen to your suggestions, you need to have good communication skills. If you are talking to leaders, if you are talking to your superiors, your boss, your senior leadership team, you need to have good communication skills so that you can impress upon your thought process, your ideas, so that they can see a good leader in you. And in the end, if you have good communication skills, you will have very good relationships with people around you. That's the reason I'm focusing a lot on building communication skills in you. And in this video, I'm going to tell you the 5 important tips that I have followed, and I have built my communication skills over the years. And if you follow some of them and if you can apply some of them, then I'm sure you will be able to make a lot of difference. But since you have to improvise it from an average to an outstanding quality, then for that you also have to work in an outstanding way. Your efforts have to be outstanding if you really want to become an outstanding speaker or a good conversationalist. But I'm sure only very few people follow this. So if you are those few people who are listening this video, then this will definitely going to help you. So the number 1 tip that I would like to give you is develop the habit of reading. I'm sure you would have heard that all leaders are great readers, but not all readers are great leaders. So the more you read, it helps you to elevate from your current level or current situation. And number 2 is it gives you multiple experience. It also gives you a lot of expertise. So when you meet and talk to people, you converse with people, you have a lot of ideas, you have a lot of variation in your thought process, and people love to converse with you. Number 2 that I would like to tell you is listen to great orators. Now, I have been listening to a lot of coaches, trainers, a big politician. Whenever there is a live speech, I do listen to some of the top politicians and some of the trainers that I have worked very closely with. I just observe the kind of expressions that they put, the kind of emphasis that they put on certain words, and that's what makes them a great orator. Because when you listen to a great orator, it elevates you, it motivates you, it just gives you the feeling of that you also have the capacity to do something great. And that is what great orators does. So if you listen to great orators, over a period of time, you imbibe those styles in you. And over the years, I have also imbibed multiple styles from multiple orators in my way of thinking. Number 3 tip that I would like to give you is to help people. I'm sure all of us are gifted with some talent, we are gifted with some knowledge, we are gifted with some sort of competency. And there are always people who need that help from us so that they can raise their bar and grow in their career and in their life. And this is what can help you to build your communication skills, because when you express your belief, when you express your attitude, when you express your thinking process, you start coming out with very important part is expressions, and basis those emotions you build a connect with people, which is very important in building your communication skills. So start helping people like I'm doing right now. I'm talking to you, I'm giving my knowledge, my experience, my expertise, my competencies, so that you do well in your current role, whatever that you are doing. Help people. The 4th tip that I would like to give you is be a good storyteller. I'm sure you would have heard a lot of leaders who are very good in storytelling. That is why we love to listen them till the end. So what does a good storytelling looks like? A good storytelling looks like that you have a situation, a problem or a difficulty, what it is all about, and what actions have you taken to overcome those challenges and difficulties. And in the last, you tell that what were the learnings and how things have changed, and that's the turning point of the whole story. Now, if you develop the habit of bringing this with emotions, with your expressions, with your beliefs, you will find that people would love to listen to you and get stick to you. They will get just used to you, and it will help you to turn out to be a good communicator. The tip number 5, which I follow very religiously, is watch movies. Now, why I watch movies? Because they are the best way of learning communication skills, because here you see the character, how they are expressing and delivering their dialogue with expressions, with emotions, with their belief system, and how they are patiently listening when somebody else is talking, and they play around with the words and their non-verbal communication. I'm sure you would have seen a lot of movies where only by facial expressions they speak a lot. And that is the best way to imbibe that. And as I said that your subconscious mind is very intelligent. The more you pay attention to these characters when you watch them, these kind of roles models will start setting in your brain over a period of time. And as I said, it comes with practice. I'm sure the tips that I have told you are gonna be useful to you, because for me, I'm doing it. It's like cycling, it's like paddling. I'm continuously doing it. It's not that I've done and now I'm over. It's like continuous paddling, and that is how you improvise from what you were yesterday. So if you really want to build your communication skills, your conversational style with emotions, with your belief system, with your good expressions, then you need to practice some of these skills on a day-to-day practice. Then I'm sure you will see a huge changes happening in the way you approach, and you move from an average communicator to an outstanding communicator. So if this video has really helped you, think about it, apply it, and come back to me with your suggestions, with your comments, that what did you apply and how it really benefited. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.